Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add footnotes to a Google Doc. So let's say you're writing in a Google Doc and you need to cite some of your information and provide sources. If you go into the Insert menu, you will see that you have the option to add a footnote. So let's see how that works. So you type your information, and then you go to Insert Footnote, and you'll notice that it provides me with a footnote and a nice little line above it indicating that this will be at the bottom of the page, a space separated just for footnotes. All right, and it even has the little superscript footnote indicator. And then let's say I am typing something else, I want to add another one. All right, so it doesn't create the whole line again. It continues in the footnote space. But it does give me a nice way to add footnotes to my text, which may be required for the assignment, but it's pretty easy to do, and it will self-adjust so that everything kind of fits neatly. And that's how you can add footnotes to your Google Docs.